Choosing the right heat press machine can be challenging. Uneven heating, limited compatibility, and bulky designs can slow down your workflow. A good heat press should deliver consistent temperature, easy controls, and support for multiple materials. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best heat press machines you can buy right now. Perfect for t-shirts, mugs, hats, and more. We reviewed features, performance, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. The SHUOHAO 15-in-1 Combo Heat Press. This versatile all-in-one solution is great for creators and small businesses. It supports multiple applications, including t-shirts, mugs, caps, bottles, pens, and even shoes. With interchangeable attachments, it easily adapts to different projects. The machine offers consistent heat distribution and adjustable temperature controls for precise results. Its multifunctional design makes it ideal for beginners who want flexibility without buying multiple machines. A great choice for expanding your customization options. Number 4. SucceBuy Mug Heat Press Machine. The SucceBuy Mug Heat Press is designed specifically for customizing mugs and tumblers. It supports 11-ounce to 15-ounce ceramic cups and features a compact handheld design for easy use. With automatic temperature control and even heat distribution, it ensures clean and vibrant sublimation results. This machine is perfect for DIY gifts, small businesses, or hobbyists focusing on drinkware customization. Its simple operation and portable design make it a convenient addition to any workspace. Number 3. Easycount HP2 Portable Heat Press. The Easycount HP2 is a compact and portable heat press ideal for t-shirts and small projects. Featuring a 9x9-inch pressing area, it works well with sublimation and HTV vinyl designs. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, while the user-friendly controls simplify operation. Despite its size, it provides consistent heat and pressure for quality results. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or anyone looking for a space-saving heat press solution. Number 2. SucceBuy Hat Heat Press Machine. The SucceBuy Hat Heat Press is built for precise and efficient cap customization. It comes with 2 to 4 interchangeable platens, allowing it to fit different hat sizes and styles. The machine features accurate temperature and time controls, ensuring consistent results for every press. Its curved design perfectly matches hat surfaces for better heat transfer. Ideal for small businesses and custom merch creators, this machine makes hat printing easy and professional. Number 1. HTVRONT Auto2 Heat Press Machine. The HTVRONT Auto2 Heat Press Machine takes the top spot with its advanced features and ease of use. With a 15x15-inch pressing area, it supports both HTV and sublimation projects. The automatic pressing system ensures even pressure without manual effort, improving consistency and efficiency. Its digital controls make temperature and time adjustments simple and precise. Perfect for beginners and professionals alike, this machine delivers reliable, high-quality results for a wide range of projects. A good heat press machine can take your creative projects to the next level. From multi-function combos to specialized presses, these top picks offer great performance and value. Whether you're starting a business or working on DIY projects, there's a perfect option here. Which one's your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.